Hello guys, how are you? Hope you are fine. Welcome back to my channel Hacks in Your Hands. So guys, if you are planning for study abroad or you are just planning to take some higher education degree in some foreign country, then there are various options like US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, Sweden, Switzerland. Various options are there. So I would say why Canada is like ideal option for study. So there are different reasons are there that we will discuss in this video. The first reason I will tell academic excellence. So Canada do offers good quality of education. So in like if you compare like good top ranked universities, like 26 to 27 universities are coming under QS World Top University rankings. So few of them are like University of Toronto, University of British Columbia, McGill universities, and many more other. So yeah, you will find good quality of education in any institution. I mean, most of the popular institutions you will find good quality of education, good research opportunities, and those degrees are recognized worldwide. Second reason I will say affordable and falls in your budget. Uh, so when you compare Canadian tuition cost with other countries like US universities, UK universities, so you will find Canadian universities are like way cheaper than those universities. And the reason why, the benefit will be resulted into ROI. So the low amount you will invest, and there are higher chance that you will cover your ROI faster. So it's a nice, affordable and good ROI opportunities. So yeah, definitely it's a great option. Third reason I will say cultural diversity. So in Canada, people are coming from all over the world. So actually, Canada is an immigrant country. So people came from all around the world. They have settled there. They have started their business. They are doing the jobs. So it's like the whole world in one nation. So you will find different people from different diversities, and you can meet them. You can get to know them. You can participate in their cultures. You can participate in their festivals, holidays, many more things. Fourth reason I will say safe and peaceful. Like recently, Canada ranked like sixth in peaceful country in the world according to Global Peace Index. So you will find very safe environment there, and there will be lowest crime rate, and I would say it's a safe country, one of the safe country in the world. The fifth reason I will say earn while you learn. So as per the current rules, you can work up to 20 hours per week while you are doing any course. So you do not require any additional work permit, like only study permit will be enough to do any part-time job. You can find on-campus jobs, or else you can work in some superstores or any other local shops. You can work over there. Sixth reason I will say vibrant and lively campus life. So all Canadian campuses, they do have different festivals are going on, different events, different fests are going out on. So you can participate in those vibrant campus life. So it will get rid of your homesickness. So it's nice to blend with people, blend with other students. And last and not the least point, I will say good immigration opportunities. So as of now, like you can work for three years if you are taking any 2 years study course. So it's like it considered as postgraduate work permit (PGWP). So it depends what is the duration of your course. So 2 years course will get you 3 years work permit. 1 year course will get you 1 year work permit. And like during work, get some Canadian experience, and you can apply for Canadian immigration, permanent residency. So actually, they do require skilled immigrants. So if you are falling into into the skilled immigration list, then yeah, definitely you can apply for PR. Recently, Canadian immigration minister said like they need 1.2 million immigrants in next 3 years. So it's a good opportunity for someone who wants to immigrate in a country in a developed country with more opportunities and good quality of life. So in summary, I would say Canada is a country with high education, high quality of education, affordable tuition fees, peaceful country, and good work permit and immigration opportunities. So I hope that helps, like why Canada is the ideal option for study. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos on this kind of topic. Thank you so much.